Most people think van life is just about freedom and travel, and as much as I have enjoyed these aspects, for me it was about something else, a plan. A way to stop wasting money on rent and bills, and to secure my retirement while also saving a large deposit for my own home and really taking control of my future. This is what made me choose van life. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you don't know me, my name's Mike, and before we get into absolutely any of my little story, I'm going to make a quick coffee. That's better. Cheers, guys. Yeah, so I've been living full-time out of my van for about 2.5 years now. I currently live in a VW T6 camper van, who I call Loza. And if you've got any interest in seeing how I live in this small space, maybe check the link below, which is my van tour video. But in today's video, I'll be sharing the reasons why I chose this lifestyle. So let's get into it. I always had one clear goal, and that was to own my own home. But with rent prices increasing and the cost of living skyrocketing, it felt impossible to save for a deposit. Every month, more than half my income was just being thrown onto rent and obviously lining someone else's pocket. So I started thinking, well, what if I could cut that cost entirely? What if I could live differently, not just to save, but to live with more intent? That's when van life started to make sense. I wasn't doing it just for adventure and freedom. I was doing it as a strategy, a way to save as much money as possible, as fast as possible. This is when I formulated my 3-year plan. And at this point, all the money I had saved, I invested in Loza, my camper van. The reason I bought a VW was basically the resale value at the end of my 3-year period, that I know that they hold their value quite well and I would extract the most amount of money back out of it if I did sell it at the end. I don't think I want to do that now because I do love my camper van. Living rent-free meant I could save every pound and put it towards my house fund. I could live simple, explore the country, go on adventures, and stay focused on my long-term goal, which was buying a home with the smallest possible mortgage I could afford at the time, which then equates to less financial pressure. And who doesn't want less financial pressure? Having chose this lifestyle for the last 2.5 years, it also opened up another financial opportunity for me. So I'm a self-employed electrician by trade, and I travel all over the UK for my clients, obviously doing electrical works, but I charge them hotel fees and evening meals, but I now don't spend it because I have the van that comes with me. So that gave me a massive pay rise, just choosing this lifestyle, alongside the massive savings from rent and everything else and bills. So then I decided with that extra money, I'll pump that into a retirement fund. And that's what I did. So I'm also building a nice pension pot alongside saving for a bigger deposit for my property. It's just a very good situation. It's a win-win. It's a no-brainer in my mind. Of course there's positives and negatives. It's not always glamorous, but it's completely worth it. I'm saving faster than I ever could have living in a rented accommodation situation, and I feel a lot more in control of my life. I've done videos on the positives and negatives of van life, and if you've got any interest in either of those, I'll link them down below so you can have a little look. Give you a good insight into what I've experienced so far in the 2.5 years of doing this. And along the way, I've discovered so much more. Freedom, peace, a stronger connection to things that really matter. Choosing this lifestyle has also led to this, YouTube. I wouldn't have dreamed of doing it beforehand. It's given me the opportunity to share my journey with everyone out there and hopefully help people along the way, because that was the ethos behind why I started YouTube in the first place, was to show people the great outdoors that they don't get to see and help feel calm and relaxed. I think that's very important for me, to help push a vibe through a video that can help de-stress people, and that's what my adventures do. If you've got any interest in joining me on an adventure, I'll leave a link down below. You won't be disappointed. They're magnificente. Lovely music, nice little hike. Go and see something beautiful, some nice drone shots. Oh, lovely jubbly. So if you're wondering why I chose full-time van life, this is it. Not just to escape, but to build. To work towards my future in a smarter, more intentional way. If you're curious about the numbers, the lifestyle, how it's all going, any questions, drop a comment below. I'm happy to share everything I've learnt so far. If you found this helpful today, don't forget to give us a cheeky like or a sub down below if you haven't already. And come join me on the journey, guys. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you giving me your time. And as always, don't forget to get your wag on. Work, adventure and game. Mike out.